Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature is great for reducing eye strain and saving battery life. So let's get started. First, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Display. From the display settings, tap to select the dark option. Doing so immediately switches the phone's display interface from light to dark. To access and manage dark theme settings, tap Dark Mode Settings. On the following menu, you'll see the option to turn on as scheduled. Tap to turn on the switch next to it if you want to schedule dark mode to turn on between sunset and sunrise or set a custom schedule. To set a desired schedule for dark mode to activate, tap Custom Schedule. Then, tap Set Schedule and set the start and end time accordingly. To save and apply your desired schedule for dark mode, tap Done. Your phone will then switch to dark mode automatically during the set schedule. Note that you need to enable location on your phone in order to use this feature. You can switch between dark and light mode straight from the quick settings or notification panel. Simply launch the panel, then tap on the dark mode icon to turn the feature on or off. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable and customize dark mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Note that this feature not only gives your phone a sleek look, but it also helps to save your battery life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.